Sifu Paul Ng.
Hi, Catherine.
2024 is the year of the dragon. Could you tell us more about the 2024 outlook for the people who are born in the year of the pig in the area of health?
This is a very healthy year for the pig. Okay, you can almost say the pig is a fine pig this year. And so not much illness to talk about. And in general, they can do a lot more things because they have very strong health for this year.
And how about in the area of career?
The pig people are very analytical this year. So if they are in the business dealing with analysis, big data, education, and also something to do with happiness, such as event management, marriage organizations, they will do marvelous this year.
And in the area of wealth?
No problem, because there's no money losing sign of the pig. So their political income is very good. As long as they don't abuse by doing gambling, they are fine. Financially, no problem.
And lastly, in the area of marriage?
Now, if the pig people are still single but ready for marriage, this is actually an excellent year for marriage because there's a marriage sign in the year for the pig. And also, if they're already married, they should be even more loving this year. A very safe year for relations for the pig people.
Happy Chinese New Year.
恭喜發財。